Alright, welcome back on my Legend and Traders Entrepreneurs. Today's video, I will be reviewing last week's profits and one of my best trade of last week. So this week I'm up about $700 and I just want to break down to you guys my progress and my road to 100K profit, alright? So let's get to it. So you guys can see here, my profit here is $728.54 for last week. I only again took 3 trades. I'm very selective on my trades. So last week I only took 3 trades. It's been kind of slow. Usually I'll be taking at least on average 4 to 5 trades a week. But the past 2 weeks it's just been slow, but I still been able to catch some profits. Okay, so let's just break down AUD CHF. All these trades I entered through the same strategy. So basically they're all just going to be the same, but I'll just show you guys the one that caught the most profit. So when this is AUD CHF, this is what I saw when price came down. I'll show you guys my exit on my entry and exit, and then I'll show you guys how I analyze the trade. So first of all, when I saw price coming down and it's going to hit the MA 200, I found support and resistance on multiple time frames, and also found take profit on multiple time frames. This CCI right here is an indicator that I just put in, and it's been helping me get a better entry. Basically, if it's overbought and oversold, whenever price is under here, so it's a bigger confirmation for me to enter for a buy. As you can see here, it became under negative 100, and that's when I saw for opportunity to buy for it to go up. So this candle right here was when I did my entry, and the green line is my take profit, and the blue line right here, I'll show you guys, but it was just my trailing stop loss, so I just put it down here. But the green line is my take profit. So this one, again, it went drawdown about 7 pips. It came up and it almost hit my take profit. So right when price came and touched my take profit, what I did was, since my bias was that it was going to be stopping right there, so I just went to M1 for a tight trailing stop loss. So you can see here, right when this candle closed, it was literally it was even less than half a pip away from take profit here. You can see probably like 0.003 of hitting my take profit. I pulled my trailing stop loss right under to here. You guys can see under to this green right here on M1 as my trailing stop loss, hoping that it was gonna hit. But then price came and just knocked me out on this candle right here. Yeah, so it just knocked me out, and then yeah, that was the end of the trade. It eventually came hit my take profit, but my bias was that it was gonna hit this and reverse, so I just took profit here. So I'm okay because I got $300. I usually just aim for 200. Yeah, so that was my entry and exit. Let me break down to you guys why I entered there and why I found my bias. So only at N15 do I really look at the CCI, since I'm just trading for short term, the higher time frames. I just look at the moving averages and support and resistance. For M30 here, you guys can see price is above the moving averages. For both, for me, lower time frames, MA 50 is not that big of a deal, but for higher time frames such as H1 through daily, I want it to be above it, and I'm gonna buy. Well, here you can see it's above both moving averages, which is good. And then I also found the entry here was a lot of support from here for it to bounce up, and it bounced up right here exactly as the area, the zone. One thing too is that you don't really want to look at support and resistance as a line. You want to look at it as a zone. So for example, you just want to draw it like this as a zone, and then you want it to bounce here as a zone, because it's not just going to be perfectly hitting that exact line and go up. So H1, like I said, it's above at the moment right here, it was above the MA 50 and the 200, so it was good confirmation. There was a lot of support here, and you drag it through. Like I said, this right here, even though it's further, it's more like a zone. So I just used that as support as well, and then it came and tested, and then I did a buy for it to go up. H4, the same, like I said, it's above both the moving average 50 and the 200, and yeah, and it continued up, and daily was the same. It was above both of it. So this 20 here, I don't even use it, so I just delete it. But yeah, then it just continued to go up. So that's how I found my entry, my bias in it. My take profit here, the reason why I put it here too was because when I entered, um, sometimes price does bounce off the moving average even from below. For example, like it'll bounce here, but sometimes it'll come up and it will come and bounce there. You see here it comes and it'll bounce there. So that's why I had another bias, just having take profit there as well. So I just try to scalp a little part of the market. Sometimes I will have to hold it for multiple days for it to hit take profit, but it just all depends on how well the trade goes. But in this case, I'm okay with it. I got my money. I got out of the market. You don't need to be greedy. Just be patient. Get what you can and just get out. Yeah, so that's about it. If you guys like this video, if this strategy helped you guys out a little bit about moving averages, if you guys are a trader, you guys want to follow this journey of me trying to get to 100K profit. Actually, right now, I'm about almost break even. So as you guys saw in my first video where I said I deposited 12,600, right now I'm at 12,400. So now I'm only down $200, as you can see here. So in the past week, I got up to 700, 800 in profit more. So I just need $200 more to be in profit. So this week, I'm hoping to see for me to hit my break even and then go into profit and hopefully be $1,000 to $2,000 in profit for this week. But thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And I'll be posting daily videos from Sunday to Thursdays now, and Fridays and Saturdays on my days to rest because the market's closed. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Hit the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.